Hey Math 8. All right, next con, classify numbers as rational and irrational. You've probably not heard too much about irrational numbers, so it may seem a little confusing at the beginning, but let me tell you, it's quite simple. First, let's talk about rational numbers, okay? Fractions, any kind of fraction that you can write where it's a normal like 10 over 12 or 13 over 3 or 1.7 over anything, any fraction is rational, okay? Any kind of decimal that you're going to be able to write out, any decimal that you can write out is going to be rational, okay? So now let's talk about, so really rational includes all the numbers you've really learned about up to this point for the most part. Let's talk about irrational, okay? The most famous irrational number is pi, okay? Pi is a number that if you try to turn it into a decimal, it never ends and it never repeats. So it's like this fraction that just keeps on giving. That's irrational, okay? Or it's the square root of a number that's not a real square root. So, for example, square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. Those are real square roots. But the square root of 43, what times itself equals 43? Well, there isn't a number times itself that equals 43, so it's considered irrational. So these are your irrationals, and anything else you've ever known in your lifetime is rational. So let's do 4 examples. First example. Hey, look at that, we have a fraction, okay? Fractions are rational. Boom, done. Next one. Hey, look at that, there's a pi symbol in there. Pi is irrational. Done. Next one. Hey, we have a decimal. Decimals are rational. Done. And finally, oh, we have the square root of 99. Is there a number times itself that equals 99? No, there's not. Because of that, it is irrational. That's all there is to it, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.